Okay, I'm about to head out to the sip, paint, and socialize with some friends. And so I just wanted to throw on something really quick here. This little vegan leather little jumper with the cargo pockets on the side. And so that is what I am wearing today. And so I think I'm gonna kick it with these shoes here. Let's see what this is looking like. Okay. So yeah, gonna kick it with some sandals, and I have a matching bag too. I haven't worn this in a little while, so perfect. Okay, so that is the outfit of the day, and heading out with some girlfriends, and we're gonna check out this sip, paint, and socialize. And so I got about 30 minutes. I'm just gonna throw on a little makeup and just fluff up my eyebrows, and she ready. Yeah, I think that is gonna be the outfit for today. Cute, cute. I think so anyway. Cute. No copy, burn it, no ollie, the real ones, around the house, super pose, I got pose. Okay, made it to sip, paint, and socialize. And you see a little drops of paint on the floor. And so as I'm walking through, I am met by wall-to-wall art and pops of color from the ceiling to the floor. Very nice, very nice. I love how there's art displayed on the table, and there's our instructor. She was very knowledgeable, very patient, offers suggestions on how to start painting our flower basket. And I love how these colors are just popping on the table here. And so people actually drew these paintings, and they allow you to bring in food, bring your own food, bring your own drink. We bought in about 3 or 4 bottles of wine and some food. And so my crew here is painting. It's my birthday weekend, and I am celebrating with some of my artsy friends. There they are sitting there. There's Monique. We have two Moniques in the group, and we have Lavon, and we have Tasha, and we are having a good time. So now on to grab something to eat. Oh, up there? Oh, yeah. I wonder what they're calling this area now. Because, they always put a name. They always add a name with the area now. I don't know what they're calling this This is Cynthia with Girlaxin, where we celebrate the loyalty, the commitment, and the support of the sisterhood. I also sprinkle in a little dining experiences as well as lifestyle. Please stay caught up on all my other videos and enjoy watching this video until the end.
Taqueria, the CT Reforma. Looks like it's Mexican. And this Zakia, I don't know what kind of food this is. Maybe Italian? Welcome to, let me see what this is. Is this, oh, Lebanese. It's Lebanese food. Mm-hmm.
I love your outfit.
Thank you.
I've been eating them every day, but last week I had a hard time finding some because everybody want to eat them now because it helps clean out your system. So now everybody want to eat them.
That'll make you better.
You do it at the end of the day when you leave the house at the end in the evening, like an hour or two before.
Now she called this shrimp. It sizzles.
Yeah. Yeah, that they built up the area.
So we have what was this, a dragon fruit margarita?
Yes.
And then we have a pina colada, toasted pina colada. And you have a lychee martini? Cosmo martini. Okay. What was this? This was shrimp and scallops. Shrimp fried rice. Okay. And then we have some truffle fries. Yeah, truffle fries. Okay. Oh, good. Okay, you know, I always got to take y'all to the restroom because that's part of me giving a 10 out of 10. Got to check the restroom out. Make sure the restroom is on point. Oh, somebody in there right now. Okay, now they only got one restroom? Wait a minute. Okay, wait a minute. Hold on. Let me see. This one? Okay, here we go. Okay. All right. Okay, maybe I'll put this hook up here. Put my purse up here. All right. Okay. Restroom. Okay, they have little gold accent pieces. Okay. Restroom looks nice and clean. That's a major factor for me. All right. Okay, that was a nice meal for the pre-birthday celebration. Okay. Snap Thai fish restaurant. They would even validate your ticket. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh.